Hello guys, welcome back to Girls Beauty. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss out the future video notification. A few days back I posted on YouTube about washing my hair with only yogurt. No shampoo and no conditioner. So today I'll be sharing my experience with you guys. So guys, last week I washed my hair only with yogurt. I didn't use any shampoo or conditioner. One more thing, I didn't oil my hair beforehand because otherwise it would have been really greasy. So first question that comes to our mind is, does it really stink? No, it doesn't. If you wash your hair thoroughly, there will be only 5% of smell left in your hair, which only you can smell. Not all the times. I think if you are sweating or doing any physical activity, you might smell yogurt, but no one else will. I asked many people around me during that entire 5-day period. I asked my family members and friends. They said no, they can't smell anything. In case you're very particular, you don't want any smell at all, what you can do is, you can spray a little bit of perfume on your brush and then brush your hair with it. And that way your hair will smell really nice. So I used yogurt as a shampoo. I massaged my scalp and my hair length thoroughly with the yogurt and then rinsed it off with water. After drying my hair, I used my DIY flaxseed hair gel, and today is the 5th day and this is how my hair looks. It's definitely very soft. So there are 2 reasons why my hair is soft. One is because I washed with yogurt, and second is because I use the flaxseed hair gel. So some advantages of washing your hair with yogurt: you are not using any chemicals, you are using natural thing on your hair which is going to moisturize and nourish your hair. So after washing your hair with yogurt, you will feel your hair looks a bit darker. It is very similar to how it looks when you oil your hair, but it's non-greasy, obviously because of yogurt, and it looks very nice and rich. So whenever I wash my hair with the shampoo and conditioner, I lose a little bit of my hair. So after the yogurt had bath, the amount of hair I lost was, I would say, only 10% of what I normally lose. So after the combination of these 2 things, yogurt and my flaxseed hair gel, frizziness has been reduced to 60% very easily. So you can see, without any hair serum or any hair oil, this is how my hair looks. So this is how my hair looks normally if I wash with shampoo and conditioner, and this is after I washed with yogurt and flax seeds. So I would suggest you guys to do it and give it a try. Do let me know your feedback in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till the time, keep smiling and take it easy. Bye.